Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how an international student can file taxes in US. Let's say you are a F1 student and working on campus and you need to file taxes for the year 2022. So go to this website. I have provided the link in the description. It is Sprintax. It's a very good website for filing taxes. So enter your details and click on create account. Now it's asking to select your visa type, which is obviously going to be F1 student in my case, and it's going to be the same for you as well. Then click on continue. This is a pretty good website. The process is very simple. They have simplified the entire process for us. So let's get started. So it's saying you need passport, you need US entry and exit dates, and you need the income forms like W2 form, and you also need your visa and your SSN, which is the most important thing for filing the taxes. So if you don't have an SSN, then it doesn't make sense to file taxes. So you should have an on-campus job and also SSN. So, and they have clearly mentioned that you need to have those forms like W2 form, it is necessary, and form 10982T is not necessary for Sprintax. Then click on get started. It is again showing a pop-up that you have all the forms and you're proceeding to file tax. Can just click on I understand. Yes, I do have those forms. It's clearly mentioned that you should not complete the Sprintax process if you don't have those forms. So now let's get started. Welcome to Sprintax. It's asking to select the year for which you want to file. It is 2022. Click on this button, arrow button. Then now it's asking your residency status. It has automatically filled no, which is correct in my case, and it's going to be correct in yours as well. Visiting the US, yes, I was in US in 2022, and yes, it was my first visit. Yes, I'm still in US. Now it's asking to select the visa type and US entry date and leave date. So visa type, again F1 student. US entry date is August 4th in my case. That's when I came to United States. And you can find this information on the I-94 website as well if you didn't remember when you entered the United States. And the US leave date is the date, your visa expiry date. Okay, you will find it on your US visa. So this is where you can find the US entry, I-94. I will provide the link in the description. Go ahead and enter your details like your passport and citizenship, your name, all those things, and click on next. You will be able to see your entry date in US. So this is a website which stores your entry and exit records in the United States. Okay, so after filling this, I'll just click on this next button. Now it's asking for the visa details, like when was your visa issued, what is the expiry date, and all those simple details. You will find all these in your US visa. Okay, I'm gonna see in my US visa and enter all this. Then after that, again, yes, US visa expiry date is also given there, and approximate date you intend to leave is also the same as the US visa expiry date. Okay, so after entering these details, I'm going to next. It's asking we need to know about you, your first name, your last name, your occupation. Then there are details like date of birth, your SSN number. Then it's asking like, are you a full-time student in US? Yes. Then are you a degree candidate? Yes, I'm doing my STEM degree here. Then it's asking, are you OPT or CPT program participant? Yes, I'm going to be taking OPT or CPT in future. That is true. Then it's again asking one more last question, that at any time during 2022 did you receive the rewards election? For me it's no. Okay, then after entering these details, I'll just go to the next one. Now it's asking to fill my US address. Okay, so all these details are simple details. Each one of you would definitely have all these things in your hand. So enter all these. Then it's asking me to enter my passport number, then my phone number. Then I'll go to the next. It's asking for income document, the W2 form. So this is the form provided by the college. Okay, so I was working on campus, so I got it in my mailbox. They have sent it directly. This is a tax document. You can find this even on your Workday portal. Go to my tax documents and you will be able to download it. This is the W2 form. Okay, and download it and upload it back on the website. That's what they are asking for. And if you don't have it, you can just go to your college employee service building and ask them to provide you a W2 form. This is important. Then go to next. Then here it's asking to upload the form. I've already downloaded it. I'll upload it. Then in the bottom it's asking to check the details and correct it if they are wrong. So I've done that. Then next, did you receive any other income? No. Then it's asking additional tax info. Did you make any estimated tax payments during 2022? No, I haven't done any of these. So I'm going to select no for all these things, because this is the very first time I'm filing taxes. Have you filed? No, I haven't filed before. And have you filed a state tax return before? No. So next, now it's asking like good news, you are entitled to claim the following exemption on your income tax. Okay, now it's also asking like, have you ever claimed any taxes from here? Then I'm gonna just select 0 months, because I haven't exempted from any taxes in the United States. I'm just going to select 0. Would you like to claim the maximum? I'll say yes. And is any of the income listed? I'm going to select no. Then it's asking academic expenses. Did you pay interest on qualified student loan? I haven't taken any loan in US, so no is the answer for me. If you have taken any loan in the US, then it's going to be the interest on it. Then you need to do yes if you have taken any loan in the United States. Okay. Then now it's asking any charitable contribution. No, man, I haven't done. So bad of me. Then health insurance payments. Did you receive a form, such form? No, I don't think I have ever received such form. So I'm going to just select no for it. It's pretty straightforward question, I think. So they're also saying that we do not need to provide information or a copy of this. You do not need this form in order to file your tax. You only have to keep them for your record, they're saying. So I think I might have received it, but I didn't remember. And even they are saying that if you are expecting to receive a form 1095A, you should wait to file your 2022 income return. Sprintax can help you with the preparation of your return offline. To prepare your, I don't know whether it is important or not, but for this question, I think I have selected no for it. If anyone of you know anything about this, you can comment below and give an update, or I will also pin an update in the comment sections or in the description regarding this. For now, I have selected as no. Now it's asking me to fill my university college details, my program director details. So I'm going to fill all this, saying my I-20. So now click on next. Now again, it's gonna saying that transferring your data, state taxes, personal information, income, deductions, credit. It's gonna take like 1-2 minutes. It's saying we have successfully transferred. Now go to next. Now this is the page where it's going to ask for living in the US. So history about 2022, where you actually lived. So I have entered on 4th August. From then I'm in US, and previously I was in India. That's what I entered there. Now it's asking for Vita volunteer. No. Then this is what I'm going to get taxes refund, that is $60. Then it's saying you are due a federal tax refund of $60. Okay, that's true. That's the information, same information given in my W2 form as well. Okay, now it's saying that how do you want to receive this? So I've just selected my bank account. I want to receive it through my bank account. Then I have entered my bank account details over there. So once my application is approved, and then they're gonna process that amount in my bank account. So after entering this, I'll just go to next. No, I don't want this extra post filing support. I'll do it myself. It's like if any more further information is required, IRS is going to send you a mail. They're going to contact through or communicate through mail, and we need to send them forms if required any further information. So I don't need this. I'll just select I would like to handle myself. Okay. Then I will just click on this and go to next, because I don't want to just add some additional cost to my tax file. So now it's again asking for the same question, like, do you need our help, or no, I don't want to do this. So I'll just select proceed without Sprintax forms. I'll select that button and I will move ahead. So this is where I felt somewhat disappointed. Like after filling the entire details, it's asking for $51. I was expecting like $25 to $30, but now they are saying like they need $51 to finalize. But whatever, I feel like filing taxes is important to me. So after filling for so long, like it took me 1 hour to fill all these details, so I was like, okay, I'll go ahead with this. Anyhow, I'm gonna get 60 return, so I'll just file it because filing is important. Okay guys, so I'll just move ahead, and I have done the payment. So it will it's saying again finalizing payment. That's what it says. Click on checkout and use a debit card or credit card and do the payment. This process is very smooth and fast. That's what I thought. So after doing this, it's saying that how do you want to do. It's saying that I'm going to use e-file, or else you need to download the form again. You need to sign it and mail to the respective address. This is an old process, so go with the e-file. So here e-file means you can just enter your name and details, and it will do it electronically. So that's simple. I want such process. I don't want a hectic process. So I'll just go with proceed with e-file, and it's saying that if you haven't filed any tax, then for you AGI will be 0. So that's what I entered over there, AGI 0. Then it's asking me to select a 5-digit pin. It's like a password. So I'm going to select a random pin. Then after that, click on all the check boxes, and I think that's all. It says 100% done. Everything is done for this. You can see on the left side all tick marks. I'm just not sure about that health insurance thing. You need to cross check with someone. Okay guys, I will however update you in the description as well as in the comment section about that, whether you need to select it as yes or no. Then I'll check this. Then it's asking for my date of birth. I'll enter it, done. Then after that, it's going to say e-file finalizing. Thank you for submitting. It will be transmitted to IRS. You will be notified in 3 business days, and you can also check it by logging into the Sprintax account. You can find the status of your application. So this is a very good process. That's what I thought. And even if you go to the home page and click on download button, you will find your document here. You can download it, you can view it. That's so good. That I like it. The process is simple, just they are charging a lot. So I highly suggest you, if you are an on-campus employee and if you are an F1 student, you haven't filed any taxes for this year, then you should file it, and also share this video among your friends and ask them to file as well, because this is gonna help you to create a record in US. It will help you while you file for green card. At that time, it would be like you have filed taxes for the year 2022. So that's going to be something they would take for consideration. So do this and share this video. And if you're new to this channel, then definitely subscribe it.